As wild as it sounds, today I'm going to be showcasing how you can actually use a tool that lets anyone automate basically every part of a business, whether that's operational, marketing, sales, or even finance. It can genuinely handle all of it. This is the tool that's called Twin, the AI company builder, and it's also today's video sponsor. Right now, most people still think building AI agents means writing complex workflows, connecting APIs, or using tools like Zapier or NAN that quickly get overwhelming and technical. But what if instead of all that, you could just simply describe what you want in plain English and an AI agent actually builds, runs, and manages the entire system for you autonomously? That is exactly what Twin does. And it's not just another chatbot or automation tool. Twin lets you create fully autonomous AI agents that can handle real business tasks end to end, like lead generation, customer support, or even running entire operations without you touching anything technical. And just to show you how crazy this gets, take a look at this. For example, you can ask Twin to build a full pool cleaning dispatch service for hotels, and it doesn't just plan it, it actually executes each step of how this business actually functions, like finding hotels, reaching out to them, handles cold outreach, meaning it actually calls each individual lead. It tracks the lead as well, schedules jobs, and even generates invoices automatically. And that way, you have a full functional business that was created in less than a day, completely autonomous. So, this is what I'm going to be showcasing how you can set up throughout today's video, how you can actually automate almost anything and build an AI business. If you want the best AI tools, workflows, and drops before everyone else, join my free newsletter with the link in the description below, which is completely free. So, to get started, use the link in the description below to head over to Twin.so. And once you are here, you can easily create an account completely for free by clicking on Try Now. You can create an account with either your Google account or with your email address, and this way you can easily get started with Twin. After signing up or creating an account, you're going to be then sent over to the main dashboard of Twin. This is your mission control, and this is where you can automate a ready made business that you have, or even just automate your day to day tasks. You have two options. You can use plain English to naturally tell the AI agent to create a certain automation for a specific function, or you can use featured agents. And these are ready made agents that can automate a specific function like a CRM sync and data bridge, or you can have a web scraper agent being cloned from Twin to automate a certain function of your business or sending out emails. You have a lot of different possibilities as to what you can do. So, for example, if you're interested in any of these agents, what you can do is click on the agent and then you can specify on which template you want to use, and then you can actually clone the agent. But what's nice is that they actually provide you a preview of how that agent functions so you get a better idea of what it's actually doing and understand all of its functionalities. Now, to get started, you obviously want to work with the orchestrator. This is something that is the chat interface and the main control hub where you can create and manage multiple agents. It works like a chat interface with full context of your system, including the agent history and the state. You can simply describe what you want it to do, like pulling a lead or sending a report. In this case, I'm going to tell it to create an autonomous content repurposing agent that takes a YouTube video or podcast and turns it into multiple pieces of content automatically. Now, this is something that is going to be functioning in a new workspace, which is something that I am going to talk about because it is crucial when you're working with Twin. This is where a new workspace helps structure everything inside Twin. It is used to create separate different areas of your work, whether that is for clients, business departments, or personal automations. In this case, we are working on a personal automation of a specific goal, and it is going to help us categorize this within the workspace. Think of workspaces as folders for different AI business systems. But what I really like about Twin is it's not just a simple chatbot. It is an interactive AI agent working with you to help you build different components of whatever you give it. In this case, it will ask you follow up questions and work with you to get the best configurations outputted. Currently, we have it working on setting up the backend for this repurposed agent where it's going to store the contents on Supabase. And you can see that it is asking for my API. So I'm going to go ahead and provide it, and it is going to authenticate it and set it up for me autonomously so that it is able to create the YouTube transcripts. And this extraction tool will then output the contents to my Supabase database. And you can see the orchestrator within this new workspace, content and marketing, was able to build out an automation where I told it that I want to create a repurposing agent that is going to take podcasts and turn them into multiple pieces of content automatically. So, thanks to Twin, it has created a system that is able to essentially use the orchestrator any single time autonomously so that it is able to turn podcast clips or even YouTube videos into transcripts that another agent can create these TikTok and Instagram clips. And you can see how organized everything is within this preview. And once approved, I can then send it back to Twin to focus on the other components of this automation. And what I like about Twin is that you can work on multiple workspaces simultaneously, meaning that you can run multiple agents asynchronously. And once any of the agents finish a task, you can head over to the feed to see what the particular agent is focusing on. And you can see that you can visualize the run as well. You have the ability to see what it's asking for in this current moment. So in this case, it's asking for a couple of things within the content and marketing workspace, which is to actually create either a UI interface for the agent. You can set up a trigger to run autonomously, or you can just simply run it autonomously occasionally. So what I'm going to do is actually create a UI interface for the agent, and Twin is actually going to set this up for you. So it's easier for you to interact with this content and marketing workflow or automation it had created thanks to the orchestrator. This is a way for you to get a responsive UI preview of whatever it is generating. And there we go. We have a preview of this agent dashboard, which is going to showcase all of our sources, key ideas, and quotes that the AI automation script sets up for us. This way, we can repurpose it in a way for another AI agent to actually create those videos based off the transcript or YouTube link or podcast we provide to our automation. So let's actually test this out. I'm going to go ahead and copy a URL of my own video, and then I'm going to head over to my Twin workspace. And what I can do is paste in this URL, submit it to the Twin agent, and it is going to actually create that clip for me. And obviously, you can set up a full on automation where it autonomously scrapes new videos that are posted on my channel, sends it to my Gmail, and then once I approve it from my Gmail, I can then have it posted autonomously. There's a lot of different automation techniques that you can set up with Twin, but this is the current workflow I have where I paste in a URL, it then creates the clip, and then it's sent to my Gmail. And just like that, Twin was able to then email me all three viral clips. And it is something that also provides me the files for each of the clips that it has snipped from that Notebook LM videos. So let's now take a look at what it had generated. Google has officially integrated Notebook LM directly into the Gemini app ecosystem, and this completely changes how you use it. So now, instead of treating the Gemini app as well as Notebook LM as separate tools, Notebook LM's capabilities are now directly built within the Gemini app, meaning if you are to expand the menu on the left-hand panel, that right there was created with Twin. So essentially, I have created an automation that I can run recursively anytime with the schedule system built within Twin. And that way I can have it so that whenever I post a new video, it is going to scrape the URL. It's going to then create the videos using Twin. And you saw how qualitative that video was. Not just that, I built a new redefined agent interface so that whenever I paste in a new video, it's able to then provide me all of the clips that I can view directly from the interface. Now we have two different agents, the Reels TikTok creator and then the content repurposer, which runs basically new ways for you to extract YouTube transcripts and then that feeds it over to the Reels and TikTok creator. That's essentially going to use these different tools to help you generate the videos. All right, let's now build something more practical, an entire AI agency built by Twin. And this is where I'm going to specify that I want to build an autonomous B2B lead generation agency within a new workspace. And I want it so that it should find businesses that need services like web design, marketing, and automation, collect their contact information, send a personalized cold email, follow up automatically, have it track the replies in a spreadsheet, and book meetings into a calendar when prospects show interest. Also, send me daily reports with new leads, responses, and book calls. This is essentially a full on agency that I'm going to create autonomously. And right away, it is going to ask me a couple of follow up questions as to how I want to set this up. What I really like about Twin is how easy it is to work with it. For example, asking it what sort of emails should be sent, where it should be sent, who to actually target. These are specific questions that it'll ask you. And once you provide those specifications, it'll set up the full on business for you. And this is something that is super helpful because you can essentially build out an automation and agency like this without hiring a sales team or doing cold outreach yourself. This is an agent that takes care of the whole pipeline. So before confirming to move on, this is where it has already found 20 public business leads discovered by Appify Lead Finder. This is where it was able to find actually the website as well as the different contact names. Now, for the best usage approach, the best results come from giving clear, detailed instructions along with relevant context or data. You have the ability to even upload your own items and files so that you're able to provide more clarity, more accurate, and powerful automations. It's also requested that before you deploy your 24/7 employee, your AI employee that is running in the background, make sure you check each and every component, making sure that all the functions of each individual agent are working, making sure that the triggers work, the schedules are testing properly, and you can easily invoke it within the orchestrator by telling it that I want to test out the sales or lead generation agent or this workspace where I have the reels or the content strategy agent. I want to test it out. And this way you'll get a better understanding of how the agent is performing or to just simply see if it is functioning properly. And just like that, we have automated a full on AI agency. That's something that I had created with an AI. It has handled the whole pipeline where it reaches out to leads, it even contacts them, it even sets up calls, and it is even able to even focus on the post processing, a full end to end pipeline generated by Twin. Let's take a look at all the leads it has contacted. Every day, I have it set so that it reaches out to 20 leads, which is obviously nothing, but it is a test right now. This is where it sends me a daily report. It shows me all of the different leads that it has contacted. And lastly, it books a meeting for me. So this way I can go into these different meetings to secure the lead. And I have it set so that this agent is going to do this every single day at 9 a.m. You can set this trigger by obviously speaking to the orchestrator, but I have it set so that it is running every single day at 9 a.m. I even created an interface which gives me a good understanding of the total leads. I have 2 people who are interested, 18 people who haven't replied. So this gives me a good understanding if my current pitch is working or not. This is the capability of Twin. It isn't just another automation tool, guys. 100% capable running by AI agents. So if you want to describe the outcome, Twin is something that lets you build and run the entire operation for you. And it's something that I highly recommend that you take a look at with the links in the description below, as this is something that you can get started for completely for free. But with that thought, thanks for watching. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the second channel, join the newsletter, join the Discord, follow me on Twitter, and lastly, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos so that you can definitely stay up to date with whatever is happening in the world of AI. But with that thought, guys, have an amazing day, spread positivity, and I'll see you guys really shortly. Peace out, fellas.